Hey, what's going on over there? I know I'm looking at my key light, but I swear I'm focused on you and making connection. Bad eye contact feels terrible, and it cuts off the only thing that's as powerful as your voice. But eye contact with a camera is hard. It's literally staring into a black hole. I'm gonna teach you how to fix it. I know a thing or two about this. I worked in Japan where my entire job was just making eye contact with people all day. And the result was unbelievable. There is virtually no ceiling to how much eye contact can do. So whether you're struggling to look into the camera, or you've gone too far and now have the stare of death, let's unlock your connection through eye contact. First, let's fix not having enough eye contact. We're gonna get you some battle condition reps as quick and fast as possible. The easiest way is to practice with the back camera of your phone. Look at that. There's no screen, it's a total black hole. Speaking to this is gonna be just as hard as speaking with a full camera and lens. This will get you ready for anything. Put your phone on a stand. This one's mine. I'll put some links for some cheap ones that worked out well for me. Make sure that you have your back camera. Now record, telling it about your product or your skill, keeping your eye focused on the camera. I teach entrepreneurs to sound like the experts that they are. Take it off and see how it looks. Repeat that until you see steady eye contact in your clips. But now we're dangerously close to the stare of death territory. So this part, do it again, but talk about the first time you built your product or skill. For some parts of this, you're gonna have to remember things. For the parts you already know, maintain good eye contact. But when you're remembering back in time, look off to the side. Like left, right, up. It doesn't matter. Just don't look down. That looks like you're looking at the things around you and ignoring your audience. Then when you get back to the parts that you are familiar with, return eye contact to the camera. Practice these 5 minutes a day for a week or two, and you'll notice your eye contact feel more natural and more connected. Now that you have your eyes building trust even before you speak, the last lever you have for instant impact is your studio appearance. So in this video, I explain the easiest and even free tricks that I've collected to make your space shout that you are a seasoned professional.